Okay, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain you how to set up the DJI Osmo Action for the first time. First thing we're going to do is click the display button here on the top, which is also the power button. The camera will turn on. It will prompt us to select the language. I'm going to go ahead and select English. Date and time, important. Set up your date and time correctly as soon as you set up your camera, because by doing this, it would allow you to find and be able to archive your photos, say you're using Lightroom or Photoshop, and you can search the metadata, so the camera will know when the photos were taken. And then 6 months down the line, when you want to look at the photos you took of that skate park adventure you went in December, you will know where the photos are because the camera metadata will have the date. So first thing first, let's set up the date. Today is this is American, so it's backwards than in Europe. So month 1st, 5th, and the 14th, and the year is 20. The time is 12:18 p.m. because it's in midday. So we're gonna go ahead and select OK. So the next thing we're gonna do is, once you have your DJI Mimo app downloaded in your phone, we're gonna go ahead and try to connect it to the Osmo Action. First thing, we're gonna go swipe down from the top, go to settings, wireless connection, info. That's the connection for your wireless connection. We're gonna put this, actually we're gonna set the frequency. I have it 5.8, my phone is 5.8, it's a bit faster. You can just leave it at auto. So I'm gonna set this down for a second. By connecting the camera to the DJI Mimo app, you can actually control the camera remotely, which is very cool, and I'll show you that. The first time you do this, it's going to prompt you to register the camera. You're going to scan a code. I've done that already. I'm just doing this for the sake of the tutorial. So I'm going to search there. The app was searching for connections. It found my Osmo Action. I'm going to hit connect. And I'm gonna go back to my camera. It will show me a code. I'm gonna see that it's the same code in the phone. I'm gonna hit accept, and once I hit accept, that should be now all done. Camera is connected. So now look at this. I have a live view of what the camera is seeing in my phone, which is very, very cool. So I could use this camera remotely from my phone. But that's not all. I have full access to all the camera settings. I can change resolution, and I can change the video format. I can go to all the settings in the camera, change ISO. If you want to change the color to log, you can do so. So that is very, very handy. I can begin recording and I can stop recording. I can take photos. This is a very, very handy thing to have. So I think that's it for now. Now you have your camera set up. It's connected to your phone and you can control it remotely. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.